Okay, so today we're going to talk about the Ollie blunt. It's a super fun trick, and basically the Ollie blunt is when you roll up the ramp, put your back wheels on the platform with your towel on the coping, and then Ollie back in. So I'll teach you the steps to do that, how to build confidence to it, like doing blunt to fakie rocks first. You don't want to be dead flat, you want to be a little bit like that, so you can Ollie it back. To build confidence, you can just roll up into blunt and then go onto the platform, just so you can like, yeah, I know I can get into the blunt. You don't want to do that. You want to do it like this. It forms bad habits if you do a blunt to decker right up there, because when you do an Ollie blunt, you always want to keep your body weight in the ramp. With the Ollie blunt, there's pretty much two slams that you can have. You either hang up or you whisk out. Once you get comfortable doing Ollie blunts, you can start trying different variations, shifties, nose bash, flip out, be like Day One Song and do everything out of a blunt. Fun trick, learn it, go skate. Let me know if what I said helped, probably not.